our Reading Adventure Club, week of February 15th. It's hard to believe. We're looking at the letter X. My name is Kirsten, and I'm here at the Edgerton Public Library in our meeting room. Let's take a look and see what's inside our packet this week. We have a writing prompt that has to do with letter X. We have a letter X word search. It's kind of hard to think of words with letter X, but look at all of them that you can find in this puzzle. These words contain the letter X. They don't start with letter X. We also have a craft activity to make an X-ray. So we've got directions and some materials for you to make a pretend X-ray. So this week might be a fun time to read about the human body and all of the bones in your body. You have 206 bones. So this fun book looks at all of the different bones and how they work together to help you do different things through your day. Your Insides is another book about your body, but it's got some see-through pages, so it's kind of a fun way to flip through and look and see what's inside. So all of these books about the human body are found in the 600 section in our library, nonfiction. Here's a picture book that connects with letter X and our craft, X-rays. My mom has X-ray vision. Watch out, moms know everything. And the author of that funny book is Angela McAllister. Often an X is used to mark a location or maybe mark something on a test, for example. X marks the crack is a funny book in our easy reader section. And X marks the spot. This is one of books in a series called Puppy Pirates. So if you like X marks the spot, you might want to also check out Stowaway. Many kids have enjoyed reading the A to Z mysteries. We started our Reading Adventure Club with the letter A, and we're going to be ending shortly when we get to letter Z. But this week, perhaps you'd like to read the X'd out X-ray. So on display in our library this week, we have some books to celebrate Black History Month. One I would just mention because it ties in with our packet this week is Malcolm X. We have lots of different leaders and historical figures, as well as different topics throughout our history and how they connect to Black Americans in our country. So come check out that book display. You'll get some great reading ideas. Another display we have right now is connected to an essay contest and a coloring contest going on, sponsored by Wisconsin Ag in the Classroom. So the essay contest is focused on this book, Full of Beans, Henry Ford Grows a Car, and the coloring contest is just about food in general and how food comes to our table. So you can pick up one of these entry forms at the library, or you could download it online by looking up the Wisconsin Ag in the Classroom. Well, this week I just want to remind you of some of the other things we have at the library in addition to lots and lots of books. We also have launch pads that you can check out, playaways if you want to listen to a book. There's a couple new ones. We put this little tape to show when we got something new. This is in the month of January, the number 1. A couple Tristan Strong playaways. We also have contests and activity packets. Our winter reading challenge ends on February 15th. So if you're watching this on the 15th, today is the last day to get your forms turned in, and then we're going to be drawing for those prize winners. We also have a story walk going on starting on the 15th out at Silverwood Park. We did delay the date for that under in the mud due to the super cold weather of the last week. So hopefully you can get out this week and enjoy that story walk. Stop in at the library and pick up some books. Check out our book displays, Black History Month, as well as some of our new books on display, and take home lots of things to keep you reading. Yeah, bye-bye.